Alright, yeah, I know it's been a while since I posted any bike build stuff, but been kind of busy. I'm in the middle of sort of moving house at the moment, and a few people have been asking, how's the Yamaha doing, what are you working on at the minute, and all that. I haven't had time, been doing this for the last couple of months. But yeah, good news is we're getting a new workshop, a bigger place. We can do more damage, we can ruin some more bikes. But the place I'm moving to, it's a bit of a long, complicated project. There's family involved and all that, they're helping me out, you know what I mean? But yeah, it was an unexpected move. But that's what we've got to work with as regards our workshop at the minute. Unfortunately, I've had some guys, some builder mates of mine who build houses for a living, come around and have a look, and they've condemned it for me. The foundations are shot, the walls are shot, the roof's coming down. As you can see there, it's not so pretty like. I will splice in here a little sort of before video. This is after I cleared it, and there's a few bits of mine that I've put in here, so the compressor and the trolley, and that's mine. But this thing was full because it was owned by a hoarder, and she'd filled the thing halfway. It was up to here, you know what I mean. I'll put a picture, I'll splice a picture in there now so you can see what I was dealing with like 6 weeks ago. But now it's clear now, the builders are coming in this week, and hopefully by this time next week this will be gone and there'll be a new slab in here. We're gonna send it a little bit further back down the garden there, make it a more sensible size for what I'm doing, and hopefully I won't be run out of space too quick again. The rest of the house needs a million jobs doing on it. I haven't posted anything on this, but see through the back window there, that's after we've done a lot of clearing. It was pretty full. Still a lot of work to do. After the builders have done this thing, they got to go in there. They got to do me a bathroom there and a kitchen there. It's a bit of a big job. So bear with me a minute. I will post updates on this garage as Keith and Mark get stuck in and they do some bits, and maybe it'll advertise their company a little bit. But yeah. Keep watching. I'm going to be updating soon, and hopefully we'll have a bigger, nicer place to work, a bit more organised than our little shed we had in Neverland before. Who knows? We're nearly 1,000 subscribers now, so maybe by the time we get to the 1,000, we've got a decent sort of place to do our stuff in, where I can make some better videos and show you some more of my chaos. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Cheers, guys.